It's definitely been another week of fits in the crypto market. We've obviously seen a lot of red as the week has progressed, and this morning has started off the same way, but we have some really good things going on in terms of Ripple and XRP. In fact, there is a $1 billion acquisition that took place that we do need to discuss, and Ripple is actually going to be doing a $1 billion plus buyback in terms of XRP. We'll discuss all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this has obviously been another ugly week of red. Actually, it looks like every single day is getting slightly less red in terms of XRP, which I guess is a good sign. But, it's like we talked about, we could be heading down to this 236 level. We saw more major liquidations overnight. We saw $1.2 billion worth of liquidations. So it seems like a lot of the longs have again gotten desperate on this drop, and they're trying to catch the bottom. And this is basically given shorts another opportunity to make money. And it's also given us more discounts in the crypto market. But really what is kind of driving this currently is BTC. BTC has been, kind of falling and falling and falling. It fell below its 200-week moving average. It's not where you want to see it. And now, again, if BTC does continue to see red, we might be at a quest towards 100K. We'll have to watch and wait and see what happens. But this would actually be BTC's lowest weekly close we have seen since all the way back here in June. But there are really good signs throughout the crypto market. Capital flows are high. Shaken money flows are high throughout the crypto market. It seems like a lot of whales have been accumulating during this time. So that's at least a silver lining here. Now, I think that we still have some opportunity ahead here in the crypto market. It seems like everything's getting just a little bit bottomy in the charts, and everything's a little bit toppy in terms of BTC dominance, in terms of USDT dominance. This is about the point where you would normally see a rejection. Rejection and a pushback to the downside. It sounds like trade wars are getting de-escalated, which is a great sign too. So you're again very close to some times that are going to be very exciting for the market with rate cuts and ETFs and all that crap we talked about yesterday. But Ripple itself has some very exciting things going on. In fact, we just saw Ripple made a bold move in the corporate finance sector with a $1 billion acquisition of Treasury. The deal represents a major step for the blockchain company as it extends from payments into full-scale treasury management for global enterprises. Treasury has a trusted name with more than 40 years of experience, brings a large network of corporate clients to Ripple's growing ecosystem. According to Ripple, the partnership will combine digital asset technology with advanced treasury operations to modernize how companies handle liquidity and payments. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse explained that traditional payment systems often tie up capital and slow down growth. The integration of Ripple's blockchain solutions with Treasury's tools will allow businesses to move money instantly and optimize working capital. So again, you're starting to see this TradeFi world start to really get integrated into blockchain tech. And obviously XRP Ledger is the chain that is helping spearhead a lot of this. So this is a very big deal. And again, another check on the box of what Ripple has been doing here. And obviously XRP is the focal point of all this. Now, that being said, what Ripple also announced is they're going to be raising at least $1 billion to purchase XRP. So this is obviously very different from what Ripple has done in the past. For those that aren't familiar or don't remember, Ripple has a large treasury and escrow when it comes to XRP, and every month there is XRP that is unlocked and dumped on the crypto market. This is the exact opposite of that. Usually we see about 200 million XRP dumped on the market. This would be a $1 billion acquisition. So it's nice to see things moving the opposite direction, and maybe they're themselves buying the dip in preparation for some push in terms of prices across the space. But again, it seems like the sentiment is just trash throughout the market. We're getting just heavy bottom signals right now. And that's why these times really don't bother me at all. I've completely disconnected from the market emotionally. I haven't been emotionally connected for a very long period of time. And frankly, if I didn't do YouTube content every day, I wouldn't watch the charts. I would just buy and sit and set my price alerts and just wait and wait and wait. So that's kind of where we're at now. We're prepping for some big times, and hopefully we get a little more green here as we get through the weekend, but we'll see what takes place. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.